with the press pass, right, the judge was asking her attorney if, like, anyone then in Gallatin, which is where we were at the court, it's the town beside of Hendersonville, he said, does that mean anyone can print out a press pass and be allowed in any crime scene, just go over there and be like, official business, I'm press, right? Which we all know that is not how that works. So the guy was like, pretty much anybody, any citizen in America can be press, right? That is true. But in order to be like official press, there has to be credentials that back up your badge, right? Which she does not have. So they literally, like when I tell y'all they printed, you could see it, right? Because we were right behind her attorneys. And I could see them holding up the piece of paper. And it literally was like this press pass about yay long. It had her face on it. And the attorney was like, Miss Griffin, what is this? She was like, that is my press badge. And he was like, and where did you get that from? And she goes, I made it. And she was literally up there, y'all. She's like, I'm an investigative journalist. It was so bad. And then they asked her about, like, going on the property. Had she, like, been on their property or whatever? And she's like, no, I never got out of my car. Well, then the video plays. And the judge actually stopped and was like, but I mean, you said, he said, did you put the flyers on the poles from the window? Did you, like, throw them out the window and they magically, like, attached to the poles? He was like, how did you get the flyer onto the pole? And she was like, I mean, well, yeah, I mean, I got out to do that. So at that point, he knew that she lied and he was pissed, dude. And then when he was lecturing her in the end, he was like, when you make a statement after putting up all of these flyers in the neighborhood that, well, maybe they'll see his face now. I want them to see his face and shit like that. He was like, yeah, that is not investigative journalism. That is not reporting. You know what I mean? That is, you're going beyond the line. Like I'm telling y'all, he served her a dish this morning. He said, you said that your sole intention for coming to Sumner County was to help find Sebastian. I did not see a lot of finding Sebastian. What I did see was a lot of legitimately what came out of his mouth. He said, you came here saying you wanted to help find Sebastian. I didn't see a lot of looking for Sebastian. It was a personal vendetta against Chris and Katie. Basically, what he said was, to you, these people no longer exist. They are no longer, to put it exact, a part of your world. She can't say shit. She can't do shit through third party. I don't know how that's going to work for the dream team over there, but I do know he absolutely said, you will no longer harass, stalk, and talk about these people on any form of social media. And that includes, well, everyone is saying about Sebastian. So here's the thing, right? That includes any minor children of the parties. Yes, legal fees. She has to pay their legal fees.